This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Danielle Logue. Beautiful 5-bedroom home in the sought-after Macaulay subdivision. Large open floor plan with new granite and tile backsplash in the kitchen. Built-in office area, walk-in pantry, fenced backyard, 2-car garage, full bath and a large bedroom on the main, currently used as a playroom. Large primary bedroom and bath with his/her sinks, soaker tub and walk-in shower. Large covered front porch and back patio. Great Huntersville location close to schools, parks, restaurants and shopping. Minutes to Birkdale Village, Lake Norman and Blythe Landing. Easy access to I-77. Amazing amenities including a pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, walking areas and playground.